Hey guys, it's Minna Talabt, and today I have a question for you. Do you want to contour your brows like a pro? Well, I have the answer for you, which is the Brow Contour Pro. It's a 4-in-1 and it comes in 5 shades. And it's so easy to use. All you need is to press down and twist. And now you're ready to contour. First, lighter shade applied from the beginning of the brow to the arc. Then you apply the deeper shade from the arc till the end of the brow. And of course, use the definer to define the brows from the bottom all the way over to the arch. Blend away with the brow blender, of course, using the sponge for a softer look. Then highlight the brow right under the arc of the brow. Don't forget to always brush the brows and blend them. And there you have it, you guys. On to the next brow. We do the same steps for the next brow to continue contouring and giving that dimension. And now we're fully done with the contouring. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!